Okay, we'll start with a barbless nymph size 10. This is sheer grey 14/0. I'll just apply a little bit of that about there. I'll go back and we take a little bit of wood duck or teal, whatever you like, for the tail. I'll just tack that in there and go up here to there. Then we need some extra fine lead wire, and we'll just put a bit of this under the thorax for a little extra weight. Break that off. Want to leave room for the head, so we go to there and we go up to the lead wire and then we go over it, and we can remove the surplus. That'll just stop the lead wire spinning, keep it in position, and we go back to about there. And a short length of flat copper wire for the rib, and go into there, go back up again over the lead wire with it. This will keep the lead wire again in position, secure everything, and we go back to here. I've made a little dark or medium hare's ear, spiky hare's ear dubbing. We'll just pop this on. It doesn't really matter how thick you apply this, you can pull it out to tease it out afterwards to get the correct body effect. So we'll just go back to the tail there and go around. Tighten it up once you've made a couple of turns, just to catch it in correctly. And you can go up, keep it nice and tight, nice and spiky. Need a little bit more there. This is a really great pattern. It's probably the nymph I use more than anything, in various sizes. It's just something really buggy that fish love about it. We can pull some of this out now, just to get the correct body shape. Need a little bit more, just to thicken that up to where I come into the thorax. Perfect. Then we can take our rib and we'll make 4 or 5 turns through the body. A few turns over the lead wire. I can take my wire scissors and trim that off. Just secure that. That's looking good. I can tease out that body afterwards. Go back to here. A bunch of dark pheasant tail. Pull that into there like that. And the second bunch of dark pheasant tail. To thicken this one up a little, so I'll just trim that off. Take this right up into the abdomen for the wing case and go over. See that everything's good. That's good. And we need a little heavier hare's ear dubbing for the thorax. This wants to be nice and fat, so don't be shy with the hairs here, especially into the wing case, because you want that to be quite wide at the position of the abdomen. Work our way forward over the lead wire. Check, that's good. Pull that out. Straighten out our fibres. Right back there. Couple of turns. Then we can tighten everything up, that's good. Keep the turns close to the thorax so we have room to trim everything off. And we go back down into the hook eye and work our way up. Take our whip finisher, the head will darken once I varnish it, and we go over that. A couple of whip finishes, remove the tying thread, you can brush it out. Get those legs going nicely. And there is something so buggy about this that the fish really do love it. And if you find that it's not sinking fast enough, once you've got it wet, just give it a squeeze to squeeze out the water. And we'll give it a coat of varnish. And that's it. That's the finished Hare's Ear variant. If you enjoy the videos, please like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.